Economy is 95, 98. As you can see, it's showing 90, 100 fuel economy. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is G and you are watching Automania. Guys, today I am going out with this Hero Glamour Xtec 125 for a mileage test. And as the last mileage test which I did on the HF Deluxe, and hopefully everything will be all clear. I'll be doing everything in front of you with all the details, petrol, fueling and all. Now the fuel is low, we are going to refuel, and everything will be under camera, so there is no question of any doubt. So the refueling is on. Let's see how much fuel it can take. Okay, so 10 liters is up. Let me see the level. I'll just mark it with my glass actually. The bike is all straight and okay, I can barely touch it. Okay, this is the marking. Okay, it's barely till this part. Okay, this is how I don't have anything to measure, so that's how I'm measuring. Anyways, so we're done with the refueling. Total 10 liters, and it costed us 1044 to be exact. Let's get going, and yes, hopefully it will be another one of those boring rides where I ride very slow. As you all know, I ride very slow when I'm doing this economical test and the mileage test. Yes, this is the Glamour Xtec 125. It's the all new, brand new motorcycle, just 2 kilometers on the odo. It's the brand new bike, so I am very few lucky people, who gets to ride brand new motorcycle every other day, be it 100cc or whatever, doesn't matter, but brand new motorcycle every other day for testing. So I feel so blessed, guys, for this kind of job which I do, or work which I do for myself. For this speed, this is the 125cc machine, so we will be maintaining around 50. Speed will be a bit higher this time. Through the city for some time, guys. It's almost 10 kilometers which I've covered, and these 10 kilometers, out of that 8 kilometers is in the city, so we can also get the real life city mileage and also combine with highway mileage, like real mileage, not only highway. So let's see, this is what I've changed in this video. Hopefully we'll get more realistic mileage in city and highway combined. Finally we are back on the highway, and yes, I once went to the left hand side to a service route, and if I went there, that would have been service route for almost next 2-3 kilometers, and it was so crowded. You can see one time it's showing 36, sometime 40, sometime 80, sometime 90. Why is that? Why is the bike giving different mileage every time? Guys, it's the same for all motorcycles you ride. Any kind of motorcycles you ride, these things will be happening, because it's the way you ride. It's the throttle input. It's the way you see. Now it's showing 80. It's the throttle input. It's the Sometimes even at 30 you'll get lower mileage than riding in 60, because the throttle input, the RPM, everything matters guys while getting a mileage, or if you want to get a good economy from your bike or scooter, whatever, or a four-wheeler even. You have to be very gentle on the throttle to get out very good mileage, a strong mileage. And yes, these some bikes are not made for fuel economy, but still our work and what we should try and is to get the best out of the motorcycle. You cannot get 50 or 60 kmph mileage, kmpl mileage on my GT650, but we can extract the best out of it, which is 27 to 28, 29, which I got on highways, and I can even extract more from that. That was not an economical ride, still I got 27, 28. So it's about extracting the best from what you have. So guys, be very sure about it when you are if you want to get a mileage first, if you want to sell your motorcycle or car for fuel economy because it's giving low fuel economy, please try to change your riding style first. Do everything possible to change your riding style first rather than changing the motorcycle. You will definitely see a change in fuel economy and also the performance of the motorcycle. So it also comes to the engine. It's not the engine which is at fault. The engineers do their best to get the best out of the engine. It's about how we are riding, guys. It's been around 47 kilometers, 49 on the Odo. That means 47 kilometers in total of today's ride, and I just love this view, guys. What I'm seeing is when I'm touching 60 and 61 or 2 like that speed, the average fuel economy is dropping to at around 65, but when I am at 55, 57, the fuel economy is 95, 98. As you can see, it's showing 100 fuel economy. So it's very important to understand that at what speed and what gearing and RPM your bike or car is giving the perfect fuel economy, because this fuel economy is made according to the drive cycle, the IDC Indian drive cycle, and these bikes are taken to maximum of 60 kilometers per hour in the drive cycles. So it's very important to understand that for fuel economies. So like it's 55 at 55 kmph 55 kilometer speed, you're getting around about 85, 90 mileage, but whenever you touch 60 it is dropping drastically to 65. So it is something which you must understand when you want to get a good fuel economy from a motorcycle, and that can be different. That will be different actually from all bike to bike. Like my bikes will be giving very good mileage at around 80 to 100, and 300, 350cc bikes, or thought barring the Royal Enfield, or the other 390s, 250s, KTMs will give the best mileage at around 60 to 70 kph. So you must understand it that what is the sweet spot of the motorcycle to give you the best mileage, and so that the fueling is just pinpoint and no fuel is wasted, the emission is less. So you have to understand the motorcycle very well first, then only you can get the best out of it. It's useless to say the motorcycle is not giving the mileage. It's the way you are riding, guys. We covered around 82 kilometers, 84 over here, so 82 kilometers, and we would be taking this motorcycle inside to see the mileage that this motorcycle is giving. Okay, we are back in the showroom, and this is the petrol. We'll fill it up once again. That's the bike which I took for a ride, and let's do the test. এখানে 1 লিটার অবধি ঢালো এখানে। আজকে 82 তো ট্রিপটা আছে, দেখো 82 এক্স্যাক্টলি 82 চালিয়েছি। বড় ট্যাঙ্ক। level reach हो गया जो ना 1 liter, last was 1 liter, and this was 1 liter. This is around about 50 ml, right? For 40 ml, 40 ml, 40 ml, 1 liter 40 ml. Okay, 1 liter 40 ml, and distance traveled is 82 kilometers. 1 second. Okay, 1.04 ml. 82 divided 1.04, 78.84. 78.84 is the mileage we got, guys. It's on camera. You can see 78.8461 kilometers per liter. That is what I got. As I was already saying you while riding, that is what I expect, around 75 to 80. That is exactly what we got. 78.84 is the fuel economy of Glamour Xtec 125. Is it the highest, best fuel economical motorcycle in 125c segment? What do you think, guys? I feel it has done great. 78 kilometers to a liter, that too before first servicing. And if the first servicing is done, expect more 5 kilometers to a liter. So expect around 85 kilometers very easily of mileage in 125cc motorcycle category. So great job done by Hero MotoCorp with this Glamour Xtec. By the way, the video of this and detailed review of this motorcycle is streaming into my channel. You can go and have a look. The details are in the description box. I guess. 82 kilometers traveled. Fuel was 1.04 liters. So mileage of 78.8 kilometers to a liter, guys. That brings me to the end of this episode of Automania. I hope you liked it, and if you like what we do, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Automania. In case of any hero offerings, you can get in touch with Dutta Automotive Durgapur, and the details are given in the description box down below. So that's a wrap of this episode. I will see you in some other episode with some automotive or technical content. Till then, as I always say, wear your helmets when you're riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Proshan Banerjee. You are watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da.